Here is the cool website, or you can say that funny website, Neil.fun. Yeah, Neil.fun. Here you can do like funny things like here, for example, first one, the size of life. So here you can compare the size of different things. Click on enter. Now it is showing the size of DNA, which is 3.5 nm. Then hemoglobin. And here you can check that RBC, something like that. That you can see that the size of living organisms. Yeah. How they big are. You can compare here. And here is the another one. I'm not robot. So when you open any website, you have to solve a puzzle or something like that. You have to uh, so you can play all these puzzle here. For example, whatever here showing. So W V U G Y and Q. Enter. It will show next. Something like that. Vegetables. So vegetables are these. Oh no. Yeah. So something like this. It will show. You have to solve this riddle. And there is another internet road trip. So this one. Yeah. Something like this. This one is internet road trip. And fourth one is simulation clicker. So something like this. And another one is infinite craft, where you can make anything, something like this. You will be given water, fire, wind, and earth. You can create multiple things. For example, yes, wild, water, and earth. Plant, again water. Swim, suppose fire. Dragon, suppose wind. Tornado. So it will create new things, something like this. It will create new things. Here you can play this game. So something like this. And another one is internet artifact. So when you open this, mm, it's showing in 1997 map of ApparaNet. So this is the first is spam email, something like this. So let's click next. So you can see here internet relay chat, something like this. 1998. So let's click next. Here you can see first Amazon order. First Amazon order one was on April 3rd, 1995. So it's a hardcover 528 page and its price is $24.99. So something like this. You can try out this website. And another one is the password game. Here you can create a password. Something like this if I am entering a. So it's showing rule, your password must be at least 5 characters. So A, B, C, D, E. Oh, again rule, your password must include a letter. Oh, sorry, a number. So one. Again, it's showing a rule. Your password must include a uppercase letter. So A. So again, I rule. So you can try out different passwords here. And another one is space elevator. So here it's saying scroll up. When we scroll up, oh, it it's showing us that which thing can travel or reach on the space at what height. Here is hummingbird, fireworks, something like this. We are at height of something 3271 meter, and here you can see something a Bald Eagle, skydiver here. Skydiver, he can reach till we can say 3000 meter. So again we are going up. Here you can see these are the things which can travel up to this. And again we are at height around 7100 meter. So again here we are at around 89, we can say 8800 meter, and here this is the height of Mount Everest. It's actually 8848. It's 8848. And if we go up here is the space shuttle. Again up. Here you can see this. Again up. Here is highest aircraft ejection. And again up, something like this. So you can see or visit this website. You can travel by yourself. And here is the another asteroid launcher. When I open this, okay. So here we can select the size of a asteroid. For example, diameter. We can change the diameter, even the asteroid, and even the speed, even the angle, and we can select the place on here. Any place you can select any place on the map. For example, if you want for India, just click on map and change the diameter whatever you want and launch asteroid. So it will show the impact and estimated something 29,783 people would be vaporized in a crater, something like that. So you can see from here. So another one is draw a perfect circle. So open this. Okay, we have to draw a circle. So it will show, okay, 85%. It's a circle, it's at 78%. So it will show our scores. If we exceed the previous score, it will show a new score, something like this. So you can play this. And wonder of a street view. So let's open what is this? Hmm. Okay, it's showing the street view from the Google Map. Something mannequin party. Okay, something wonders. Okay, they have dressed something like this. Click on random. Umbrella field. This is the umbrella field from France. So you can see different things here. The South Pole, Antarctica. Again, you can plant a truck, something like this. Here you can see. So you can uh, visit this site. Again, this one is the day since incident. So let's play this. Open this. Okay. Day since earthquake. Zero. Okay, something it will show something like this. Days since solar flare. 4 days. Last when um, class C6.2 solar flare on Jan 1 2026. So it will show days since that incident happened. Here you can scroll something like this. So here nuclear weapon lost days since 13,423. It was on 1989, something like this. So you can visit this website and here design the next iPhone. So you can design any phone from here. Like you can choose the camera, dual camera or triple camera, volume button, lighting cables, logos. There are different things you can try out, and you can design your own phone. So if you select, for example, triple camera, no, it first will yeah, and triple camera. So you can design our own phone, and it will have iPhone logo, and on this side we have volume button. So something like this you can design your own phone, and this is absolute trolley problem. Okay, yeah. Here, a trolley is heading toward five people. You can pull the lever to divert it to the other track, killing one person instead. What do you do? Pull the lever or do nothing? What you will do? So suppose pull the lever. So 73% of people are agree with you. You can see that next. Now a trolley is heading toward five people. You can pull the lever to divert it to other track, killing four people instead. What do you do? So will you kill four people or five people? Let's pull the lever. So again, 68% people are agreed with you. So you can play this game. Again, we have something Earth review. Earth review turns or something Earth review. Mm, okay, you can write here review, give rating. So you can visit this one too. And let's settle this. What is this? How do you pronounce? Okay, how do you pronounce different things? Like here, GIF is GIF, and is the dress blue, black, or white and gold? So there is a different websites you can visit, like how deep the sea is. So when you open this website, it will show how deep the sea is. So you have to scroll down. So here you can see these pieces, and when you are now at 67-meter deep, so you can see these fishes now 85 meter deep. You can see these fish. Now you are at 140-meter deep, and uh, there you can see killer whale. And again, if you are going here, it's 665-meter deep. The Japanese spider crab in the largest known crab with a maximum height span of 3.8. You can see this creature, Japanese spider crab, and at 776-meter deep, you can see giant Pacific octopus. So you can reach uh, up, reach at different depths of the sea. So here you can see that you can scroll, just you have to scroll. So you can visit this one too. And uh, we have different websites here. The size of space. What is this? Okay, it will show the how big is space and different things. human compared to human, the satellites, the airplane, the rockets, and the asteroid, something like this. So you can compare the different things of the space and universe. And here is a paper. So let's open this one. So okay, if you open this, you have to fold the paper. So normal thickness of a paper is 0.11 mm thick. So let's fold once. When you fold once, it will become 0.2 mm, like human hair. So again, when you fold two times, it will become something like a grain of sand. Again, let's fold it. Let's fold it. Now I have fold 14 times. Now it has become the average height of woman. So again, let's fold it, fold it. I have fold 29 folds and is now 53.7 kilometer tall. So you can uh, fold something like this. So at 42 folds, it will become something for like this 439 thousand 805 kilometer tall. So you can visit this one too. And if you spend Bill Gates money, so you are given this much money, you can buy different things. So like if you want, you can buy gaming consoles. You can buy 100 gaming consoles. You will be this much money remaining. You can buy 1,000 AirPods. Again, you will be having this much of money. You can buy smartphone 1,000. Let's say 1,000 is smartphone. Is made 100 drone bicycle. Let's say 50 bicycle. Will be remaining this much of money. So you can play this one too. And we have a draw logo from memory. So when you open this, it will show something like this. So its first one is showing the draw the McDonald logo. What you ever remember, you can draw here, and it will show something. Uh, it will show here original one. When you click on Revel logo, so you can compare whatever you have remembered. Here it's showing for Nike. So it's something like this. So it will show here. So there are different logos you have to draw by from your memory. Spotify, you can see your Android, Google logo, NASA logo. So you have to draw here, and a original will be shown here. So yeah, there's another one who was alive. So who was alive in 1800. So you can see these people who were alive and their ages in 1800. So again, if you can change this 1900. So here you can see these people were born, and these people were alive with their ages. You can see this, and there is another one, printing money. So minimum wage. Okay, here it's given the minimum wage. Okay, how much someone is making money, we can see per hour. So minimum wage is 7.25 per hour. Teacher is making 16 per hour, and software engineer 45 per hour, something like this. Fortune 500 CEOs making 40. We can say that 4,000 hour, and Facebook revenue is $8 million per hour, something like this. So you can visit this one too. So there are various websites for fun. You can visit this one. Thank you.